Hi Suresh, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good too. Thank you. So first of all,
Yeah, thank
many
you.
congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah. So you have got selected as an ETL tester in one of the MNC company, right? So how
you.
do you
Correct.
feel about that?
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy, sir, because at least I have given 30 plus of interviews recently from starting March to April. In between the 2 months of my hard work, I got selected in the May month end. So my joining date was also confirmed and onboarding was also done in the May 20th only. So
Mm-hmm.
right now the onboarding process is going on, sir. It's good.
Great, great. So would you like to introduce yourself as well? How many years of experience you have, and do you do ETL testing, manual automation? Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Suresh, sir. I have 3 plus years of experience in ETL testing and manual testing also. So previously I worked in some small startup. So that company I am having only 2.5 years of experience. So after that I am in the lockdown. So I switched to TCS company. So in the TCS I have 1 year of experience. Total I am having 3.5 years of experience. So after that, due to recession and no projects at the time, so I was laid off, so mass laid off. And after that, in the 2023, I didn't got any calls regarding the ETL testing or some manual testing part. So I learned the automation testing and giving interviews regarding the automation testing and ETL testing also. So in the month of 2024, I'm getting calls from the month of March only. Uh, but March and April, I have given interviews to nearly 20 to 30 companies. So nobody has been taken. But luckily, in the month of May, I was selected for MNC company. They have offered 40% hike the present of my current CTC. So that is very good. And the base location, they have offered Chennai location. Present, they offered 3 months of work from home period. So after that, I need to go to the Chennai location.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. That's awesome. So you gave
And
30 plus.
moreover, I want to tell you before this getting this offer, I have taken two guidance from you, sir. I have taken the career guidance and the resume building section from you. Because of that only, I got selected of your resume building section. You have created my resume with a ATS friendly. So because of that only, I was selected for this MNC company. Luckily, I'm very happy to share with you.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's all your effort, your all hard work that has been paying off now. So yes, we do conduct career guidance sessions on TopMate, and I am able to recall that we had connected couple of times
Yeah,
before, and at that time you wanted to get your resume reviewed, and it was a kind of a you also wanted some guidance pertaining to your career. But after all, it is your all hard work efforts because I feel that you are a very positive, very motivated person despite unable to clear 20 to 30 interviews and then you are still able to crack one of the interview and that too MNC company. So I have seen that companies offer letters. I have seen that the salary hike that you have received, it's a very good thing that you have been getting.
thank you, sir.
So would you like to tell the community, there are many folks out there who are looking for the jobs in the field of software testing. Do you think the market has ended for the software testing or the job market has opened?
Yes, sir. I can say that from the month of March only, the job market has been completely open. I can say 80% of the jobs are offering. I got 4 to 5 big MNC companies from the role of ETL tester and automation tester only. And small scale startups companies are also offering some ETL tester roles. So I can say that comparing to testing, but most of the companies are asking automation testing majorly. So if you learn the ETL or manual or something big data testing, they will uh, asking the first round, second round, and at the final, at the round three, they are asking, do you know the automation testing part? Do you know the Selenium WebDriver or something? They are asking extra skill set, which if the project is ended in the company, then they are looking for extra skill set, which is toply highly recommended in automation testing. So they are looking for that. So luckily, in the last few months ago, I completed automation and I have seen your YouTube channel and followed your videos regarding the mock interview testing parts, interview questions. And I have taken some career guidance also from you, the 2 to 3 sections also.
Right.
So right now I was selected for the ETL tester. So within 2 to 3 months, I will also give the interviews to the automation tester also, because I accepted the offer letter, and also right now also yesterday also I have given some automation test interview.
Mm-hmm.
So that first one was also selected, and they are telling to give the second round. So I am getting calls, more calls regarding the automation testing part.
Mm-hmm.
Even now also, sir. Today also I have checked my mails. There are two more interviews in the Tuesday and Wednesday sections.
Okay, okay, great, great. And how are you getting the calls? Are you uploading your resume every day on Naukri, or is it via LinkedIn you are getting the calls? How do you
Yeah,
know?
mainly I'm following four type of methods, sir. In it, first one is Naukri.
Mm-hmm.
So daily I'm uploading every 10 a.m. I need to refresh my resume with new format, and I need to upload. The second method was LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, you need to connect with the more people like regarding the testing field which they are assigned in the companies. So they will post daily basis. So this company has particular interviews, and they will give sometimes they will give internal references also. By
Correct.
using that internal references, we can get more chance to get selected
Mm-hmm.
rather than others. So third one, I followed like your channel and some Instagram channels also. Some two to three YouTube and Instagram pages I will follow daily. So in that channels and pages, they will post daily job updates regarding this testing parts. So I will apply. And fourth one is some consultancy. I have paid some 1,000 rupees 2 years before. So they will create some Telegram groups, and they will post some regarding our experience. I have 3 years of experience, so they will create some 3 to 4 years of experience of job groups, and they will post daily or weekly basis. So this company has this particular vacancy with some reference ID you need to mention in the subject line. So like that, these four methods I have applied in searching my jobs.
Okay, okay, great, great. And one more thing I would like to ask you is that currently, what is happening is many of the companies are showing that they want to hire, but then the candidates are giving the interviews and sometimes they don't get the feedback. So, what do you think? What should the candidates do? Should they wait for the feedback from the HR or from the hiring managers from the recruitment team? Or should they start applying in other companies?
Yes, sir. Initially, if any person is giving interview with some particular company, so if the interview is good, then the candidate will know that they have given some better performance. So
Mm-hmm.
if he knows that he have given uh, some good performance in the interview, then he should have to wait 2 to 3 weeks of time from the recruiter or the manager. If he didn't get the any mail from the manager or recruiter, then he need to apply for the next job roles accordingly. Otherwise, after 2 to 3 weeks, we can keep posting to the recruiter that what is the status regarding my job, that I have been interviewed on some particular date. You can ask like that. After that, don't depend on the what you have given the interview. You have to prepare for the next round also. If you have selected me, they will definitely contact you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That is not a problem. I also do. I also given this company. I also don't think that I am not get selected. I am giving some another LTI my entry company. I have given interview also. I am waiting for that. But unfortunately, this offer they have informed me, and within 2 to 3 days of time, they have onboarded me very quickly in the
Oh,
month and time.
that's great. That's great
That
news.
was really fast.
Yeah, right, right.
Yeah,
Okay.
right now, and I want to tell you
Mm-hmm.
to all the subscribers right now, ETL tester and automation tester, API
Mm-hmm.
testing. These three are very high demand jobs, sir, right now in the current situation in the 2024 market, I can say.
Mm-hmm.
Manual testing is no one is hiring. Out of 100%, I can say 20 to 30% are hiring in the current ongoing projects only. They are not hiring new people.
Right.
So I can say automation testing and API testing. If you learn the ETL testing part, means some companies are expecting to know knowledge about the big data and Hadoop testings also
Mm-hmm.
regarding ETL testing part. But
Correct.
evergreen, I can say that automation is evergreen, sir. I can say.
Evergreen. Correct, correct. No,
Yes.
automation would be in demand. That is going to be there. You just need to have some good skill set, maybe Selenium with Java or Python. Now, even
Yeah.
Playwright is picking it up, right? So you can learn these tools. And I saw the one more document that you have shared with us that is, I think, 200 plus questions you have shared, which are SQL
Yes.
related queries that you have got. So thank you so much for
Yes.
sharing those question set as well. That would be really helpful for the ETL testers out there. So how would you define the complexity of the questions that you're getting with respect to SQL? Is it medium? Is it very
Yes.
high complex? Yeah.
Yeah, means depends upon the experience of the candidate. They are asking high complex queries to write in the text box or notepads. There are some of the companies in the month of March and April. They didn't ask my introduction or project introduction. So they initially started asking the queries in the text box, notepad. So they are giving initially 2 to 3 tables, right, left out, region, what is output. So I want output like this. You need to write the query. If we are writing the query, then they are expecting this person has no 2 to 3 way of
Mhm.
writing the queries. Like if we want to write the highest salary, using 2 3 methods we can write like dense rank, row number, and row ID also we can write. So these type of recruiters are expecting more knowledge from the candidates.
Mhm.
So they are expecting 2 to 3 ways of solving the solution. So they are expecting highly. I can say if anyone want to prepare regarding the SQL, you need to learn the advanced concepts like functions and join parts.
Right. Right. Yeah. So I think Suresh, you have covered most of the things. Any last suggestion, last point you would like to share with the people out there who are looking for jobs in software testing?
Yes, sir. But do not go in the wrong field. So
Mhm.
try until you get. Do not disappoint. If you are rejecting every time means, then you should be noted what the major point you are rejecting in the coding part or the theoretical part. So that you need to note it and you need to improve yourself only. So nobody will guide you. You need to take yourself only as your mentor. So you need to prepare yourself. So if you want some guidance means the candidates need to focus on the mentors like you.
Mhm.
And outside also there are so many mentors. But I have seen genuinely, sir, you are providing a very low cost with career guidance or mentor sections or resume building. I have taken some three another sections with different mentors, but I can't reveal their names. But they are charging very high amount
Okay.
comparing to you. I
Uh-huh.
was very comfortable with you with the prices part.
Okay.
You have provided the 30 minutes, but if the topic is really important, means you continued my section up to 40 minutes in the last Saturday, I think,
Yeah.
in the resume building section.
Connected.
That was very happy to me, sir. I am very happy to have with you.
Right. Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Suresh, and wish you all the
Thank you, sir.
best for your career. Yeah.
Thank you for the opportunity.